All right, so in this video, we're going to be taking a look at an issue a customer was having with converting a Silhouette Studio file to a 3D model. So here we have their Silhouette Studio file, and we drag and drop into our exporter, and it gives us this. It says the file opened successfully, but no supported native vector geometry records were found. Okay. So the next step then is to actually look at the file and see what exactly that means. And so what we want to do is we want to go into Silhouette and take a look at this. And this is the file in question here. And immediately I saw that this probably is not going to convert very well to a 3D model, but we could see immediately what our problem is, that this is not vector geometry. And that is what converts to a 3D model. So there's no vector geometry. So what it appears as though happened is that we imported an image, whether it be a PNG file or JPEG file or something. But if we go over here to panels and look at our layers, it tells a bit more of the story here. You can see we have an empty layer that has nothing in it. And then we kind of have a layer within a layer. And then you could see we have this, it says polygon, but this is not a cuttable file. And of course, that's what Silhouette Studio really is a cut software. And so this would need to be converted to vector file first, vector shapes within Silhouette Studio that we could then convert into a 3D model. So on this particular file, that's why we're getting that error message, that there is no vector data because in this case, there's no vector data. So now that's not to say every time you run into this problem, that's what the answer is going to be. But in this particular case, that's what the issue is. This is not a true vector file with various different shapes. You know, we should have a shape for the hat and a shape for this over here, the beard and the eyes and the brows. And, we should have individual shapes for all of these things. And clearly we don't have those. So that's what the problem is on this one. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you understand a little bit more clearly why you're getting that error message in this particular instance. If you have any questions or need one-on-one training or some custom files made for you, this is my contact information, so feel free to reach out via email. You can text me. You could even give me a call. I'd be happy to answer questions or give you more details on the one-on-one training we offer, and as well as if you need custom files made until you are up to speed on how to make them yourself, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you with that as well.